Welcome back to the workshop, day 2 on restoring this vise. Well, let's get right into it. Get the sandpaper going, get this all cleaned up, and put it back together and see what we're working with. Alright. Well, this is what I'm going to be working with. Got some scrapers and some rasps and some files, and I'm just going to get in there and scrape it all out, clean it all up, take some of this damage off, and just, get in there, make sure it's all working again, and all that. I'm hoping I find a date on it. I'm not too sure, but we'll take a look and see. Okay, I'll update you when I get some more done. Well, we got her all cleaned up as best as we could. Apparently it was painted orange originally, or somebody painted it, and then it was painted this silvery gold color that we got here. There's the other piece. And I'm having trouble getting it to focus. I think it's because it's shiny now. And yeah, having a real hard time getting that paint off. It's really tough stuff. I got the threads all cleaned up inside. As you can see, all the rust is gone. So this piece right here goes in there like that, which connects in there like that, and that runs it back and forth. I've got it pretty well cleaned up in there. There's some brass. I could spend hours trying to scrub every last little bit of the paint and rust off, but to be honest, I don't think it really needs it. I've got it mostly cleaned up so that it'll be functional again, and I kind of want to put it together and see what will happen. So I'm going to do that, and then we'll see if it's even working, and then we'll go from there. I may paint it. I haven't decided yet, but I know a lot of them are painted, and this one definitely was. But I'll update you when I get it together and see what's going on. Alright. Hey guys, real quick, very disappointing, but it is broken, and I'm not going to be able to fix it. If I turn, this, it pulls the mechanism out of the slot, and I can push it in, but there's nothing to stop it. It looks like it got broken off there at some point in time. So that's super disappointing. I won't be able to use it, and it looks like I've wasted most of my time cleaning this up. Lessons learned, I guess. Probably should have looked at that first and decided not to even bother. I might be able to fix it in the future, I don't know, but it's just all broken off. There's nothing stopping the threads. If there was something there holding that, then it would pull the arm in and fix it up. So I'm going to put it all in tight and set it away for now. Oh, this really sucks. Oh well, at least we cleaned up the metal and I showed you what I could do. And we'll get started on something else. I mean, I do have another vise I can use, my grandfather's place. And while I was looking around, there is another one over here that does work that I could maybe clean up. So vices are still on the menu. Steady. Vices are still on the menu, but right now there isn't much I can do with that. Unfortunately, this big sucker had it all prettied up, mostly. Hamilton, Canada. All silvery again, all steel anyway. I'm really super disappointed about that, but I guess it was good practice to see what I could do to clean up something so old and beat up. Maybe I can find somebody who will help me out and weld a piece on there for me, but beyond that, I don't have a welding machine, and I've never tried, so I can't really do that. Anyway, guys, I'll see you next time. So there it is, all put back together, clean and shiny, like it's supposed to look. But it's quite definitely broken, and I don't really have the welding machine to go and fix it up. Looks good though, but it's broken there, and I can't fix it, which is unfortunate. Ah well. I have some axes and stuff I can do, and we'll work on that. Alright.